Good morning, kids! Welcome to Balingasag Central School Television-Based Instruction. I'm Teacher Laureline, your guide in today's session in Grade 6 Science. Get ready and join me as we start learning our lesson right at the comfort of your home. Go and grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Circulatory system. The topic that we're going to discuss today is about circulatory system. This episode is anchored from our most essential learning competencies. Explain how the organs of its organ system work together. Science 6 Circulatory System. In today's lesson, you are expected to identify the different organs of the circulatory system and describe the parts and functions of the circulatory system. The circulatory system is the transport system of the body. It is also known as the cardiovascular system. The circulatory system is responsible for the distribution of blood and other nutrients throughout the body. It carries food, oxygen, and water to all your body cells. It picks up carbon dioxide and other waste that body cells make. It also carries this waste to the body organs that get rid of them. The major organs of the circulatory system are heart, blood, and blood vessels. Heart is a pump usually beating about 60 to 100 times per minute. With its heartbeat, the heart sends blood throughout our bodies, carrying oxygen to every cell. After delivering the oxygen, the blood returns to the heart. The heart then sends the blood to the lungs to pick up more oxygen. This cycle repeats over and over again. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 on top and 2 on bottom. The 2 bottom chambers are the right ventricle and the left ventricle. These pump blood out of the heart. A wall called the interventricular septum is between the 2 ventricles. The 2 top chambers are the right atrium and the left atrium. They receive the blood entering the heart. A wall called the interatrial septum is between the atria. Blood. Blood is needed to keep us alive. It brings oxygen and nutrients to all the parts of the body so they can keep working. Blood carries carbon dioxide and other waste materials to the lungs, kidneys, and digestive system to be removed from the body. Blood also fights infections and carries hormones around the body.
Blood is made up of blood cells and plasma. Plasma is a yellowish fluid that has nutrients, proteins, hormones, and waste products. The different types of blood cells have different jobs. Red blood cells are shaped like slightly indented, flattened discs. RBCs contain hemoglobin, a protein that carries oxygen. Blood gets its bright red color when hemoglobin picks up oxygen in the lungs. As the blood travels through the body, the hemoglobin releases oxygen to the different body parts. White blood cells are a key part of immune system. The immune system helps the body defend itself against infection. Blood contains far fewer WBCs and red blood cells. Although the body can increase WBC production to fight infection, the white blood cell count in someone with an infection often is higher than usual because more WBCs are being made or are entering the bloodstream to battle the infection. Platelets are tiny oval shaped cells that help in the clotting process. When a blood vessel breaks, platelets gather in the area and help seal off the leak. Platelets work with proteins called clotting factors to control bleeding inside our bodies and on our skin. Platelets survive only about 9 days in the bloodstream and are constantly being replaced by new platelets made by the bone marrow. Blood vessels. A vessel in a human body in which blood circulates. The vessels that carry blood away from the heart are called arteries. Other very small branches are arterioles. Very small branches that collects the blood from the various organs and parts are called venules, and they unite to form veins, which return the blood to the heart. Capillaries are minute, thin-walled vessels that connect the arterioles and venules. It is through the capillaries that nutrients and waste are exchanged between the blood and body tissues. To sum up the concepts of today's lesson, circulatory system is responsible for the distribution of food nutrients and oxygens and elimination of carbon dioxide and waste from the different parts of the body. Its main parts are the heart, blood, and blood vessels. Helpful nutrition, exercise, and positive outlook in life are essential in order to make our circulatory system healthy. Now that you have learned about the circulatory system, let's have an exercise to find out if you really understood our lesson.
Directions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answers on your science notebook. You are given 10 seconds to answer each number. 1. Which blood vessel carries blood from the lungs to the heart? A. Vein. B. Artery. C. Capillary. D. Aorta. Very good. The answer is letter A, vein. Number 2. Which of the following blood components provide the major defense of our bodies against invading bacteria and viruses? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. Very good. The answer is letter B, white blood cells. Number 3. The following are ways to keep the circulatory system healthy except A. Live in a clean environment. B. Avoid smoking cigarettes. C. Have positive outlook in life. D. Eat plenty of fatty and salty food. Very good. The answer is letter D. Eat plenty of fatty and salty food. Number 4. What do you call the smallest blood vessels in the body? A. Artery. B. Arteriole. C. Capillary. D. Venule. Very good. The answer is letter C, capillary. Number 5. Why is blood important? A. It helps us keep healthy. B. It has water that flows with it. C. It flows like a river. D. It delivers vital nutrients to the body. Very good. The answer is letter D. It delivers vital nutrients to the body. Great job to all of you. We're almost done. Always remember, a healthy lifestyle is important in taking care of our circulatory system. That's it. We have reached the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Lorilyn Borja, your teacher in science.